They say great innovations we owe to the dreamers, and major dreams they start in a garage.
Is this a dream?
EQE SUV world premiere. Cool.
This is the all-rounder of electric vehicles of Mercedes EQ. You want to describe the vehicle in 3 words. It's versatile, agile, and spacious. The EQE SUV has a trunk volume from 520 to 1,675 liters. The Burmeister 3D sound system, including Dolby Atmos, provides a new level of acoustic experience.
Let's see.
Calm down.
Come with me.
It's a cloudy but beautiful day out there, still 28 degrees, and I hope you are enjoying yourself. The news of the day, Mercedes EQ is revealing its new all-electric champ, the EQE SUV. With this electric vehicle, you have a myriad of individualization options, and you can change it all remotely, whether it's the ambient light or your individual wallpaper for the passenger screen. Make it yours, listeners.
Shh, please, all this noise, babe. Turn it off. The seats of the EQE SUV are really comfy. Am I right?
Mm-hmm. So much space in here. I could even give you a massage.
Give me the hot stone treatment then.
There's a whole wellness program, darling.
Tell me more.
Okay. Energizing comfort networks various comfort systems in the EQE SUV. A suitable atmosphere can be created. It includes the program's freshness, warmth, vitality, the 3 energizing nature programs, forest glade, ocean sound.
Ocean sound? Give me ocean sound.
Okay.
Hey, Mercedes, activate ocean sound.
Did you notice this fresh, pure air? That's a HEPA filter working, man. It cleans the outside air of even the smallest teeny-meeny particles with a performance up to 99.65%. That's crazy, man. Smell that. Nothing.
Okay, let's wrap up what we've got so far. This vehicle is a versatile companion for business or family trips, with its range of up to 590 kilometers. Fantastic. It'll take you wherever you want to go. Activating the off-road mode raises the suspension to its maximum ride height while altering the dynamics of the powertrain and stability control system. Scintillating. Another magnificent technical innovation is the rear axle steering of up to 10 degrees. At higher speeds, the car turns the rear wheels in the same direction as the front wheels in order to maximize stability. And at lower speeds, it turns them in the opposite direction in order to reduce the turning circle.
Excuse me, sir. How do you know all this? Let's get some excitement. Oh, wow. Is this the AMG EQE SUV?
Yeah.
Yeah, give me more.
Well, there's definitely more to discover. This sporty and all-electric dream of a car has everything you can expect from an AMG. A dynamic and emotional design, and a performance without an equal in its segment. This vehicle has a torque of up to 1,000 Newton meters and a power output of up to 505 kilowatts. It accelerates from 0 to 100 in 3.5 seconds. It comes with the 22-inch AMG alloy wheels and the AMG high-performance braking system. If you think electric cars are all mute, try the AMG Sound Experience. Now, let's jump inside. Look at this beautiful steering wheel. You can change the level of recuperation in 3 different stages. And you can stream all your music and videos wherever you like. The EQE SUV and the AMG EQE SUV are both presented to the world in Paris.
Hey, Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Take me to Paris.
I think that's wonderful.